Now, you might think all of the chargers are actually the same, but they are not. What we have for you today here is the Innergie C6 Duo International, and this charger has a few interesting special features. So let's take a look at what's so special about this charger here today. Now, firstly, Innergie is a brand by Delta, and it's a well-known brand for power electronics, and they make a lot of stuff related to power and also power supply. And coming from a brand with such reputation, the Innergie C6 Duo is a 63 watt charger, and since it has the name International, you actually get different heads inside this charger right here. So once you open it up, you can see you got the usual UK plug, and then this is the US plug. I think this is the Australian plug, I'm not too sure. And then this one is the European 2-prong plug version. So how you install them is actually very easy. You just pop this off. This is just a protector for the pins on this charger head here. So for us here in Malaysia, we're gonna use the UK plug. Once you got this thing out, how you install it is actually just to aim it in and then rotate it. It's done. That's how you can just plug it into your wall socket, and then it will immediately charge. One more special little feature that I don't think Innergie has mentioned in their website is actually how you can reposition this whole part here. So if you rotate it a bit, then you can technically swap it between left and right sides. And also you can make it go to the bottom or the top. It's a minor feature, but it's nice to have. So if you've got two plugs that are very close to each other, well, you can make space by just rotating it around. Now, the next special feature about the Innergie C6 Duo here is actually the two USB Type-C ports at the back here, which Innergie is calling it the Dual DP Dynamic Power Allocation. Now, usually what happens is that if you got a multi-port charger, then when you plug it in, it will have only certain ports to output certain powers. Like maybe you got 4 ports, only the first one is able to output 65 watts or something like that. But what Innergie has done here is to make them both behave equally. So if any one of the USB Type-C port is plugged in, then it will output a maximum of 60 watts. If two devices are connected at the same time, then it will dynamically switch between either 30 plus 30 watts or 45 watts plus 18 watts, making it the maximum of 63 watts. Hence, that is why on the box here, it writes 63 watts. And because this charger supports the USB PD standards, you can charge virtually everything. So your headphones, your earphones, your laptop, yes, even your laptop if it can work with just 60 watts. And you can also charge the Nintendo Switch and many other more products. So this thing has been charging my Nintendo Switch for like way too many times, I would say. And that's just a really convenient feature to have. If your phone also supports USB PD PPS quick charge standards, then this charging brick can also fast charge your phone. And since you can charge a bunch of stuff with just one little charger here, it has a lot of built-in circuit protection features, and it also has high efficiency so that you won't waste that much power compared to many other chargers out there. And at the end, the Innergie C6 Duo also comes with a total of 3 years of warranty, which means if your charger ever breaks down, which they rarely do actually, then you can claim your warranty within 3 years as well, which is not really something that I'm aware of. Most of the chargers only come with either no warranty or just 1 year of warranty, so having 3 years of warranty is just a peace of mind. And also, all of the accessories that work with other Innergie chargers also work with the C6 Duo, so you don't have to buy the accessories once again. So for example, this is the Innergie 60C. As you can see here, I can just take out the head from that charger, plug it into this C6 Duo, and it just works. Now, the Innergie C6 Duo is priced officially at 234 ringgit for this particular unit that we have here with all of the international plugs. But if you're not gonna travel that much, then you can get the UK 3-pin plug version for a lower price of 194 ringgit. So at the end of the day, why I recommend you to get the Innergie C6 Duo is because having 2 ports here is much more convenient compared to all of those single port chargers, and also having all of these international plugs means that this is the only charger you need if you're ever gonna travel to other countries, when we can travel, of course. But then again, if you don't need all of these international plugs, you can get the UK plug version only at a lower price, and it still works the same as well. Also, I think you can buy the separate accessories like all of these different heads at a later date if you ever change your mind as well. So that's it. That's all we have to share with you about the Innergie C6 Duo. It's a really convenient charger, and it's a definite upgrade from the Innergie 60C.